Welcome back, guys! Danjo the Capital Master. This is Pionex, guys. We will trade here and you can trade as well. Very nice trading platform and has a lot of bonus, guys, no? So, guys, you can share your story and win $2 million. Meron silang promo dito. Okay, and guys, they have a lot of rewards as well here if you deposit. And of course, guys, pwedeng makakuha ng 100% and 50% bonus din, guys, no? So, mag-deposit kayo dito and you can trade as well. So, guys, very nice reviews as you can see with users and they are satisfied, no? And big partners din yan. So, you can download it on App Store or Play Store and you can sign up right now. Fill up nyo lang yan, guys. Phone number, password, and referral code. Put mine. So, I will put my referral code on the description below para makita nyo. Kung ready ka na at gusto mo nang mag-sign up dito, okay, pwede ka na sumali, no? At same time, mga boss, napakarami nila ng rewards dito. So, guys, sign up na kayo and then decision nyo yan, disclaimer, okay? So, kung ready ka na, samahan nyo ako, sign in na tayo. Let's go! So guys, sign in successfully. So pwede kayo mag-bind din ng phone nyo, no? So guys, makita nyo dito, you can buy crypto nga, guys, no? So guys, you can buy crypto, for example, USDT ang suspend nyo. Okay, so pwede kayo mamili ko 500, no? USD, makaka-receive kayo 481. Then pwede kayo mag-buy through credit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Paktay, and Alchemy Pay. So grabe talaga. And you can register KYC, bind your card, no? So guys, napakadali lang din dito. Meron din silang bank transfer, guys. Okay, so kung titingnan nyo, guys, very easy to use yung platform nila. Okay, so kung titingnan nyo, pwede kayo mag-create ng bot din dito, trading bot, no? So guys, make sure, guys, kung nagtitrade kayo, especially BTC, buy on support, sell on resistance. Paano ba yun, boss Danjo? Guys, ang dami ko na videos na successful trades ko, pero kung titingnan nyo, kung bibili kayo, guys, make sure around siya, no, sa BTC as of now, no? So kung tinitingnan yung pinaka-solid support ng BTC, nasa 15k mark. Next support is around 21k. Next support is around 26k mark. So ngayon, nasa resistance banda siya. Okay, so kung titingnan nyo, guys, ang pinaka-resistance ng BTC is 30k mark. Hanggang ilang weeks ago, hindi pa na-break tong 30k mark. So hanggang 30,654 lang siya. Ngayon, pag na-break po yan, kita nyo tong mark na to? Turuan ko kayo, no? Kung nagkikita nyo tong mark na to, okay? Pag na-break po yan, guys, doon, ayan, nakita nyo yan, this is the solid resistance, this is resistance, guys, okay? Ayan, yung mark na yan. Pag yung line ng chart, tumagos po yan, so, kumari, from here to here, yan po ang resistance, okay? Pag tumaas po dyan, na-break po yan, okay, time to buy, pwede kayo mag-hard risk, okay, the next day, no? So, huwag kayong bumili on the day itself, bili kayo the next day para titingnan nyo kung talagang hindi siya pump dump lang, no? Kung titingnan nyo yung BTC, okay, bumili sa support. So, saan ba ba yung support? Ayan po ang support. O, ayan, napakalinaw. First line of support. And then, ito yung pinaka-solid support for the past weeks. So, around 25k mark. So, ako bibili ako around 25k mark, 26k, okay na yan. Then, mag-sell ako dito sa 28k. Ganun yan naglalaro yung Bitcoin ngayon. Okay, ngayon, pwede nyo check yung price action, RSI, and of course, yung MACD, no? For solid trading talaga. Kung gusto nyo mag-trade ng big numbers, no? Ako, malaki yung tinitrade ko. Ngayon, kung titignan nyo dito, may trading bot, auto trading without monitoring, no trading experience required. Guys, you can have a trading bot. Spot trading pwede rin, and of course, pwede kayo mag-convert. So, guys, pwede kayo mag-create ng bot na gusto nyo, enable nyo lang yan, bind nyo, okay, authenticator using Google, okay, very easy. And kung titignan nyo, may futures bot din dyan. Kung titignan nyo, guys, pwede rin kayong gumawa ng futures bot. And pwede kayong mag-earn through principal din dito, guys, sa Pionex, no? So, very nice, no? And amazing talaga to. And may mga rebates pa. So, alam nyo naman, maganda yung futures trading ako. Me personally, I love futures trading. Makikita nyo yung ano nyo dyan. Okay, you can buy, sell, and wait nyo yung available nyo, no? So, from primary to futures, okay, napakarami talaga. And pwede kayo mag-transfer dyan. So, for example, BTC, Ethereum, makikita nyo yung mga accounts ninyo, no? So, ganyan lang po ka-simple. And pag magdi-deposit kayo, click nyo lang po yan. Automatic, you can deposit sa address na to. Direct na po sa trading yan para din nyo na-transfer. So, from Binance, withdraw, USDT, TRC20, pwede nyo deposit yan. Pero mag-withdraw kayo, napakadali din po, no? So, pwede kayo mag-withdraw, bind nyo lang Google Authenticator nyo, and lagay nyo yung address. So, may crypto box din po dyan. Ibig sabihin, mga boss, merong randomized fixed roll dito, pwede kayo mag-bind, no? Yan, maglagay ng code. Of course, may primary, may futures account. And kung titingnan nyo dito guys, ito yung UID nyo, no? So you can copy your UID, okay, and you can trade here as well. Regular users, pwede kayong pag KYC dito guys para dumami po yung trading nyo, no? So you can get KYC nga dyan. Okay, government issued ID, facial recognition, level 2, yung level 1 country or full name lang. So tapos na. So grabe guys, pwede kayong mag-upgrade KYC kung gusto nyo, kung ready na po yung inyong documents. Okay, so you can buy crypto, bank transfer express, then rebates. Check nyo rin yung mga Pionex GPT, no? So marami silang mga products dyan guys. So guys, they also have an event, no? So kung titingnan nyo dito, song, join the share, $2 million. Pwede kayo mag-share ng music nyo dyan, split 2M yan guys, and tell your story and get $50 EB bot, no? So pwede nyong check yan guys, you can join now. Okay, how to obtain rewards, write down your personal experience of being brave, share nyo lang sa third party social medias and claim your rewards. So write nyo yung song dyan, then download, copy content, claim your prize. Grabe to guys, opportunity to na pwede nyo pagkakitaan, and meron din silang support na makakatulong sa inyo. And check nyo yung mga rewards guys, no? Grabe yung mga grid bot fee discount na 50%. Pwede nyo rin i-check yan, and of course mga latest updates. So panalong panalo tong Pionex GPT na to, parang AI na rin to, no? So for example, ayan, pwede siyang gumawa ng mga code para sa'yo, no? So astig talaga guys, no? Grabe talaga to, advanced na tong Pionex na to. Okay, itong Pionex na to, napaka-advanced niya, and may mga announcement loans din dito, no? Pwede nyo i-check, especially kung mahilig kayo mag-loan, no? So you can borrow, pero magdi-deposit kayo dyan, po-hold nila, and pwede kayo mag-loan pan-trade. Okay, so pwede rin kayo mag-convert dito from BTC USDT, vice versa, spot trading. Pero then siyempre yung trading bot, pwede nyo ipayin yan guys, and may mga strategies din dyan guys na pwede nyo i-try. Okay, so far so good. Danjo Capital Master, the NFT King. Tinuro ko na yung support resistance when trading. Have a nice day guys.